Hello friends, welcome to 4Anastasia. Today I will show you an easy DIY from Styrofoam. I have glue here as an option, but I end up not using it at all. If you use something really light, then you probably want to glue it just to be safe. For first idea, I want a Christmas elf to look like it's stuck in the bushes. And I hope I accomplish my goal. Please friends, subscribe to my channel and click that bell to get notifications, otherwise you will never know when I post my new video. If you want to reuse your decor elements, then you definitely should not glue it. And later you can reuse it, this styrofoam for spring with flowers or even birthday elements, and so much to think of. Next one is in a cold theme. In this one you can hang up, maybe above your Christmas table, next to front door, fireplace or kid's bedroom. I had same one but with summer flowers in my previous videos just as a decor element in my studio. Please like this video and share it with all of your friends. See you next time.